Good morning. Let's do a little walkthrough before I get started here. Okay, so we got the flat roof, not necessarily flat, sloped roof. Let's see if we can't zoom in a little bit here. So what we got here is all this black, darker colored, is the granule is wearing off, and soon the water will seep through it. So what we're gonna do, I'll show you on the other. We're gonna start, we're gonna recoat this. We're gonna clean it, make sure there's no dust or debris on it, really good adhesion on it. There's no soft spots or any concerns or anything, but all of this dark right here, it shows the asphalt is starting to show through, and then that will wear off, and then the fiberglass will show, and then you'll need a new roof. So what we're going to do is recoat it. Like, watch, see all this right here? Let's see, I'm not doing this. This is your roof granules right here. Let me zoom out a little bit. So this is what's left of the roof. So we're gonna get this cleaned off and recoat the entire sloped roof area. The rest of the roof looks good. No concerns. All right, well, I'll get started and I'll show you another pictures and videos throughout this process to show you what I do. This is where all those granules were piled up, holding moisture. It's caused the flat roofing material to crack. Yeah, you didn't. All right. Here we are. 2 coats. Rolled on. And I will give another inspection on the roof in a couple weeks. Let it dry and set and make sure everything's as thick as it should be. And if not, we'll do it again.